Hello guys, good morning. Okay, welcome to Overnight Hustle. So um on the course proper, I'm going to start right now. So for this meme flipping course, all you need to do is to have your tools get ready, like the tools I told you guys to get: the Telegram, Discord if needed, Phantom wallet, also Flare wallet. So let's hop into the course proper now. So and also desk screener. So what is this course all about? This course is all about flipping or increasing your money. That's why I named it how to flip your money from $10 to $100, and from $100 to more, which is very, very possible. So I just want to keep your mindset right. So anything about making money involves risk, and you're going to risk your money, and you're going to make lose at some times, and you're going to make massive win. So I'm not promising win guaranteed, but you're going to make money. So guys, let's head over the course right now. So all you need to do is, the reason why I said you should get Telegram is you are going to need Telegram to set up your bots. So I'm going to send a link for your bots setup. So all you need to do is use this link. Okay, sorry, there's a link I dropped in our channel. It's called a bunk bot. You are going to use this bunk bot to start your interaction. All you need to do is just to click on the link, on the bunk bot link. Okay, so once you click on the bunk bot link, okay, let me make some illustration. Hold on. Once you click on the bunk bot link, it will take you straight over to this app. Okay, so once you click on start, it's going to display everything for you. So as you can see right now, you say when you come to bunk boats, I have my wallet address and the rest, but my focus should be on the wallet. So just click on the wallet, because that was the main reason I say you should download Flare wallet. So I will just click on the wallet, allow it to load. So it's going to show me my address, but my main focus is to export my private key, which is very important. So I'm going to click on export private key. Okay, this is for test purposes. I'm not going to use it later on. So I will just tap to copy my private key. So my private key is just to import everything into my Phantom wallet. So I'm going to head over to my Phantom wallet right now. Okay, I think, okay, I don't have Phantom wallet. I'm going to use Solana wallet. So all right, so I'm going to click on this. I click on edit and click on add wallet. So you are going to see where they said import private key. I know you guys have already set up. If you don't set up a wallet before now, you cannot do importing. So go and create accounts and just fund. So I'm going to click on import private key. So for this now is for tests. So I will just paste the private key and import. So all that I'm doing right now is just for my wallet on Telegram to be on my Flare wallet, so that even if anything happens to my Telegram, I can always get access to the wallet address. So guys, that's how it works. So the next thing for you to do right now is to learn how to trade. So once you have done this perfectly well, all you need to do is to go back to your Flare wallet you just imported and click on receive. So we need Solana. We need Solana to be doing all this trading, because Solana blockchain now is kind of free. The network fee is kind of okay. So I'm going to copy my wallet address. Okay, so if you don't have Solana right now, you can either buy from me or you can buy outside. Okay, I'm going to do a test run now. I'm just going to send small Solana to my wallet. Okay, let me just send small Solana to my wallet. I'm going to click on send to tests. let me just send 0.00001. I'm not sending much. We are going to allow that to load. So once I'm done sending my Solana wallet, sending my some dollar to my Solana wallet, that's where I'm going to be trading. So right now, let's just allow it to load. I don't know why it's taking much time, but it's not going to take time. Okay, so once you have sent the money to your Solana wallet, you have funded the wallet, you are ready to trade. So because this is a test trade, I will show you guys. Okay, let me show you guys. Open our desk screener. So for now, you can actually go on desk screener and research for coins to trade, but it's very, very volatile. Some coins you are seeing here might give you money, but it's very, very volatile. So but maybe because I'm still coaching you guys, I'll be dropping some coins that are good and also show you some groups to join that shares updates for some particular good coins to follow up. So but when you come to desk screener, all you should be looking at is for, you can easily see some low market cap coins which can easily flip and give you some amazing money. I'm going to show you what is it called, I'm going to draft a book that will show you how to calculate your profit. Once you get to 2x, 3x, 10x, 5x, you can cash out your money. Don't allow your greed level to increase. So guys, as you can see here, these are Solana meme tokens. So all you need to do is just click on the search button. Okay, let's assume now you have a coin in mind. Okay, there's this particular coin I've been trading for a while now. It's called the Break Obama. The coin is actually performing well. I can easily go here now and copy the contract address. So listen, the contract address is what you are going to use in trading. Okay, as you can see now, the coin market cap is currently 1.8 million market cap. Okay, take it for the record that you bought this coin right now at 1.8 million market cap. This is where the mask comes in, and you are able to buy at $10 worth of the coin at 1.8 million market cap. If peradventure this coin does 4 million market cap with your $10 now is going to give you, open at 1.8 million market cap, and the coin did 4 million market cap. So this is a little math I said I'm going to show you. 4 million market cap divided by 1,800,000. Sorry guys, 1,800,000. That means at 4 million market cap, the coin is going to do what? 2x, 2.2x. So you're going to times $10 times 2.2x. So your $10, you have already, if it gets to 4 million market cap, you are able to flip it to $22. That you are making extra words, $10 plus. So imagine if you entered with 20, 30, 40, $50. That's how you are going to flip the money. So that's why you are going to look for coins that have a great team. And for this particular project, I've been watching them for a very long time. So they have dipped to even about 500 market cap and still went back to this particular point. Even went back to 3 million market cap as of yesterday. So as you can see, you should be focusing on coins that have liquidity, good liquidity and volume. Okay, as you can see, the volume here is about 1.8 million. Liquidity is about 172,000. I'm also going to show you a tool which you can use to check. It is called a rug. I'm going to drop it as a at the right top. It's called rog.syz. Okay, let me see if I can open it from here. You use it to what? Test or cross check. Okay, rog.syz is going to open. Sorry. Hold on. Let me get the right link. Let me get the right link. Okay, sorry. That's supposed to be rog check. rogcheck.syz. So with this particular tool, you can be able to copy the contract address of a coin and check if it is a good buy-in. So that is one of the two I'm going to give you guys. So with this tool, you can just do things on your own, but just be careful. Just be very, very careful and watchful. So with this tool now, let's allow it to open. I don't know why it's taking time. Okay, so now I've already copied my Obama contract address. So I will just head over there and paste it on the token address. The place I said token address, I will now paste. It will check for me if this coin is a good coin. So it's analyzing it. So as you can see, the risk analysis is good. There are some coins that you just put here and you see that the risk analysis is not good at all. Okay, the supply volume is 1 billion, market cap is around 1.8. The liquidity pool is locked. Okay, so I think it's a very, very good project. It's a very, very good project, and the market is on a random network. So guys, as you can see, the community sentiment is very good. So this is a very good project. So and there's also a Telegram bot. I think I'll show you that one later on, that you can use to do all this check. But with this rock check, you are good. So let me go back and look for a coin. Let me just look for a random coin and put here. Let's see how good it is. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think this is also good, but it has low amount of liquidity providers. Okay, I think this is also a good project. The sweet thing about this main flipping is if you can get a good coin at a very low market cap, you can be able to make lots of money. Assuming if you buy this coin now that is trading at 566k market cap and it gets to like 3 million market cap, you have made money. It gets to like 10 million market cap, you have made a lot of money. So that's the game plan. So guys, I'm just going to head over to my Solana. Let me see if the money have sent now. I don't know why it's taking time, but let's just focus on the main game. I will just head over to my Telegram. So this is where the real game is. So I'm going to paste my contract address of the coin I want to buy. I'll just paste it here. Okay, so as you can see now, the Telegram bot, which is called Bong Bot, is going to display the characteristic of the coin. It will show me the market cap, the coin market cap of that coin. It will also show me the pricing part. So but we are focusing on how to buy this coin. So as you can see now, the futures will have explore, will have scan, will have buy. If you want to buy 3 with 1 Solana, 5 Solana, but since we are starting out, we are just going to buy X amounts. So I forgot to mention something. Go and download your CoinGecko app. There's an app called CoinGecko. So this app will help you to make calculations. Okay, this app is going to help you make calculations I don't have it right now, but let me use the web version of CoinGecko, in the sense that if you want to convert X amount of since you are trading low capital, I'm going to click on Solana. Let me just do the calculation. Okay, I just want to see the dollar values. Let's say I have like $10 in my wallet, and never forget, if you have like $10 in your portfolio, don't trade all at once. Okay, you will see this converter, but if you use the app, it's going to be better for you. So the dollar value now, if you have like $10, don't trade all the $10, trade like $9, so that the remaining one will be your gas fee. So as you can see now, this is the amount of you are going to trade. That is $9 is equivalent to this unit. So you just have to copy this, copy everything. You just have to copy it or memorize it. I think 0.050. Okay, I'll just go back and put 0.0506. So right now the transaction is going to confirm. Okay, it's going to confirm. So once the transaction has confirmed, you have started trading. So, and that's it. And I'm going to show you how to also sell. You will see the list of coins that you have bought already. So let me just head back to my Solana Flare. Okay, as you can see, these are the list of coins I have in my portfolio. Okay, these are the coins I have in my portfolio that I have bought, that are trading. Most of them have even gone back to $1. So some have given me money. So guys, it's not hard to do. It's something that you can do on your own at the comfort of your home. So I hope you got value, and I'm going to dish out more value and the rest of it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye now.